Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable long press number and basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. And then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the voice control. Then in this part in the voice control, go to this section and then tap the customize commands. Then in the customize commands, find and tap the basic gestures. And then in the basic gestures, scroll down and then find and tap again the long press number. Then in the long press number, as you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to activate also the switch button under the confirmation required to fully enable the long press number in your basic gestures until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully enabled and disabled long press number in basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!